ready for racing. Racing just is started with Gangarin break quickly restart. Snow Monkey rushing about the outside is Aura. At Labora, then next online is Director Sled Gold. Danori inside his headers. Mushi Mushi. Anone comes next while Corregidor Island is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn with Aura. At Labora by about 2 lengths. Gangarin in second is Snow Monkeys racing into Director Sled Gold now in fourth. Mushi Mushi. Anone, then comes Headers while number 5. And this one is Corregidor Island is still racing in less. Back to the leader we have Aura. At Labora, Gangarin is done on the inside. The next online is Director Sled Gold. Is No Monkey Mushi Mushi. Anone headers. Then comes Corregidor Island. Another fourth turn. The lead now belongs to Gangarin. Aura at Labora. Director Sled Gold. Mushi Mushi. Anone. Corregidor Island now rushing upon the outside. Headers is No Monkey. And as they swing for him with Gangarin, Corregidor Island is running by the rail. Alright, Labora, Mushi Mushi, Anone. Then comes Director Sled Gold. Last 100 meters, Gangarin, Corregidor Island is running by the rail. And finally, it's Gangarin, Corregidor Island, Mushi Mushi, Anone. Then comes Ora at Labora. Is No Monkey.
Alright, Bankerista number 2, Gangadin, crossing the wire first. Ridden by John Alvin Grusen and Masi Segundo. Lucky Leia. Nakita mo.
Oo nga, pero